Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Langmeyer. Welcome back. I wanted to make a video. We have already done our quick breads lab. I was hoping we were going to be back to be able to do our yeast breads because we usually do my favorite, my Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. But it's a pretty complicated recipe that for a first time yeast bread, it might be a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to demonstrate how to make a pizza crust because I figure everybody does like pizza. This does require yeast. That is a different leavening agent than what you found when you did your quick breads and you did the baking powder, baking soda. So this is going to use yeast. If you can make this, this would be wonderful. I know yeast is a little hard to find, but hopefully maybe they've got this. And if you do the pizza crust recipe, I will give you extra credit. I'd really like for you to do it, but if you can't find yeast, just let me know. Okay, so that is what we're going to be making here. But before we do that, I want to tell you about one of your other assignments you'll be doing in the upcoming week, and that is a food truck. So you are going to pretend that you are going to be starting your own business, and it's a food truck. I know we've been hearing a lot with the coronavirus about truckers, and they can't pull up to fast food restaurants. And food is hard for them to get. You can't prepare it on a truck. So many of the rest areas are now allowing food trucks to be able to be parked in the truck stops to service folks. I also know some cities and towns, for instance, Sydney I know has food trucks up so that families can come get a snack, get a lunch when some of the restaurants might be closed. So food trucks are a really hot, popular thing. If you know Mr. Mike Sell's family does food trucks at fairs and events. So it's a lot of fun and it's something you can do and you don't have to have a big storefront. So you're going to be designing a food truck, thinking of a food that you would love to eat, your favorite restaurant, the favorite food that you have, be creative, and you are going to be designing what your food truck's name is. You are going to prepare one food item that you would have at your food truck and have a picture of it, and create a food truck. The food truck, I will try to have a fold out paper model if you have zero creativity, or you may use a shoebox to do your food truck. So here is an example of a food truck. This is kind of what I'm looking at. So this is an ice cream truck idea. They just took a box and folded it and were creative with it. You will make one food item from your food truck and then show me a few other menu items that you would have. So that's one of your upcoming assignments. Wanted you to know that. Now,